Fáilte Ash go How to Gael. We have teamed up with Fáilte Ireland to help you keep discovering everything our gorgeous island has to offer.
And Ish go bhfuil on Saura Builtiling, there's no better time to get planning your short break. Teichig, discoverireland.ie for ideas that'll get you and your friends planning your next big adventure. Tamarala Tashachan to Spragala Dullatastal.
Oh, as Darren would say herself. Now, Mazrade Goel on Schlian Atlantic Eon Odogleoch. How about a visit to the Ackle Experience in Chuntevrio? Part aquarium, gals, part history hub if you don't mind. Or you can head to Carnog Veva Ishligok for myths and watching the world go by.
Or if it's a trip east that is on your list, then Yartla Feckal in Ireland's ancient east. Wander through the Marina Market in Cork City, grab a bite, support local makers. Newmas Tiberdoran on Cairns Creepathagut. Why not walk the ancient path of St. Declan's Way?
Here trust boher Ella Tammy Dulla Shul Shlee Nave Declan Akali Nadarudagi Gwil Kushlan Valihline Aguntanami and Chomakiana, where history meets pop culture. It is also the location for the Traitors Ireland.
Whoa.
Fun little fact. New, you can make your way up the Sea Loud Trail for scenic food stops all along the coast.
Yum, yum, yum. Decalicious. Now, Colleen, not grave our dross, good gree all to Kilton hair and good even gals, wasn't it?
Yeah,
it really was.
Bob.
On Quidis Farlum was, just on quality time on Churgun Kayla and Moira Kayla.
Oh my god.
Like butter wouldn't melt.
I know. Speaking of butter, on Rudis Fire Lumsa, Yennemer not on wrong Bokala. I haven't stopped making soda bread since. It's a real problem.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
I sampled it. It's good. You're getting good now, girl.
Yeah, McCockta.
Well, do you know what, on Rud Abansa Lumsa, I have to say it was discovering a new skill that I am actually a very proficient zipliner.
Well, you are, because the frozen new come they come
Go
on.
on.
1, 2 zip of you.
Love
Oh.
it. Absolutely. So what are you waiting for? Plan your short break at discoverireland.ie and keep discovering the stories, surprises and soul of Ireland.
Sinead Gadirach Shiva August there in Quinniger of Vegach Triocht in Erin.
Whoa.
Oh.
There is nothing like an Irish summer, Colleen, the Fáilte Ceol and the barbecues.
My favourite, na piant spontaneach le corda nig na hibre.
Credit to us. We are good for that and for making the most on the longer days, because we all know this weather is prone to change.
But your every day is a lovely day for a Guinness.
I know, law bra or fag Guinness, Saula Guinness Shea Colini, a lovely smooth creamy pint, taking it all in at a festival.
Oh, Colony, I feel like we're going to make such unreal memories this summer. And sure, with a Guinness in your hand, nothing can go wrong. Sitting around chatting with friends, I cannot wait.
Rain or shine this summer, ag Fáilte Ceol, Savalet, Nusafob, every day is a lovely day for a Guinness. Now, as you let it carda.
But be sure to get the facts and drink aware. You can visit drinkaware.ie.
Steve, August Fáilte go How to Gael, Lumsa Shiva.
Lumsa Louise.
Agus Lumsa they're in.
Colony, Thomater Fud, Nahata and Yov.
We've gone fully international because Tamisha Doyle Stach on Upper East Side and Nua Aurach, and at long last it has happened. Vimer a bagger sugar fada grammar con Kian Taffet, and here we are finally doing it, girls.
And I just have to beat your glamour, and I'm coming to you live from my stairs.
Well, listen.
I was going to say, we're lucky to be coming to you at all, because for the first half an hour of this setup, I was coming to you from the wrong side of the microphone. So, Era lied to Corsi Technula sorted a gwyn, and we actually, this looks grand, I think.
I thought you were taking that to the grave, Louise.
You thought, no, listen, you may as well all know. I fully spent a half an hour talking into the wrong side of the mic. Don't tell anyone in Today FM that I do this for a living.
No, Niarmid Lahania. And then my Wi-Fi is gone because we're getting something done to the house. So I'm piggybacking off my neighbour's Wi-Fi if we law her, which is why I'm in the hallway so I can be as close to their modem as possible. But that's showbiz, baby, you know?
All singing, all dancing, girls.
And there's those a new era. Initially, if we kind of like Ireland thing.
Yeah, to Shohei, how to make a new Arach de Lewin. I came horrendously hungover, which is, so on brand. So it's only really enough, getting over the jet lag and all the rest. But yeah, having a ball so far. My Dudley fundraiser actually enough Gur Agri Kruro Moodig, would you believe?
Oh,
in Midtown. And lads, so how fucking it's roasting. I've sunburnt, and I'm getting a great colour again. I'm moving into that other shade of white, kind of off-white, maybe a cream if we're being generous. It's fucking, look, it's deadly. It's New York City. It's I'm walking around the whole time being like, oh, I'm so fizzy. So I'm here for the month.
Oh, so they're actually brand new Harvard tanned, because I'm paranoid since our chat on Law of Viera about my paleness. So I went and I actually invested, gals, in developing, do you know, kind of moisturizers that you put on?
Yeah.
Niha, then you wake up and you have a little, it's like the Dove, but it's not Dove, it's the Bellamy Antoine. But sorry.
Yeah, but the Dove is £7 and it's so good.
Yeah. Honestly.
Though, Louise. It looks lovely.
Yeah, it does. But the aerosol Dove, how much was the Bellamianta?
Do you know what? It was a little Sponny Connie that was sitting on my
Ah, you see now.
Do you know what? I have never Vijay Dunta like for ages because I was like, no, it won't be dark enough, won't be good enough. Do you know, you kind of like don't bother with the developer. Lads, I think this is the new era for me. Like, look, my elbows aren't even like you're dirty and tandy. It looks natch.
Natch, excuse me.
Natch
But speaking of natch, guys, I'm not wearing any makeup.
What?
Okay, sorry, this is about me and my colour? No.
Yeah, I'm not wearing any makeup. Well, sorry, I'm wearing a little bit of lip gloss. Yeah.
Dorme, like Dragon me who are Instagram and yeah are all tattoo glowing.
Yeah. Thought
New York suits you, girl.
Woo! You'll just have to come over here and visit me.
I think we'll have to. I
think so too.
Tá cúlairí really deas agus se leis na plan díos gacrad. I did have a nice background. I had a nice background set up and bhí bláhanna deas go Margaret Kjol, Darren agus Louise bláhanna cúmaniu, it would be really good deas. But it was bhí litter deas leis and it was signed L agus D. So I texted Louise, I was like, oh, tá tos agus Declan co deas like show na bláhanna cúm.
I know. I was like, but don't worry. No, before there, and I wrote back and I said it's from all the D's in your life that love you.
She set the record straight. She set the record straight. But I don't know why. I just assumed Louise agus Declan and not Louise agus Darren.
I can't believe you hear Louise and you automatically think Declan as opposed to Darren. Like,
well, they have a legally binding contract after who. In
sorry,
fairness.
excuse me. And what about the three of us tied into our fucking business together? Is that what is that? Do we not have a joint shared account?
Well, no.
Sorry, do we not have a shared account, guys?
Declan was delighted, Shiva. And by the way, he was very cute when I told him. I actually was on the phone to him, and Declan was like, "I'll buy her a flower the next time I see her." I was like, "You better."
Yeah, no, bhí Siobhana Walker, Mina Maga Vasta Blahana, the Dordic Sheet McCree. Yeah.
Shingadas. Okay, well, I'm glad to hear that. That has put bam on the gaping wound of
Get over yourself. There's too many D's in my life.
I know. Well, this is more of it now. The last night we were out, Louise has been talking for ages that she's going to get a tattoo with a D on it.
Yeah, for ages I've had this little drawing of like a little D that I wanted to hear, and I'm like, I actually can't get it now. Well, I can, but it'll be like, who's the D for?
But yeah, then she was saying to me, you should get a little L tattoo for my D tattoo, and I was like, okay, and then like in front of Owen Keane, she turned around and was like, yeah, I'm getting a D tattoo, and Darren thinks it's for her. And I was like, yeah, because you've been coaxing me into getting a fucking L tattoo for you. Anyway, we've to stop with the tattoos. There's no use. It's yapping me out.
Once Darren started on the tattoos, she's gone mad altogether now. But
her bumbo.
I do enjoy that.
Which one are you going to get in our shows to now up there? No, we hit to Canella.
Oh, sure. Listen, God only knows. God only knows when I haven't she there to raid me in. I don't know. I know I kind of done with the tattoos for a while. Because I don't know. I have a lot of them got now the last year. I've 3 got last year.
Yeah, your canvas is not so blank.
Yeah, you know, we're trying to curate a vibe here.
Yeah. Okay, Buganroig agus playing with quid then co-ragras atá HVS a Vuska fuishna le shocktan anús Louise Forth was the Rheinwald in Yeshkriv shocked this.
Yeah, Gramila Magwev Kalini agus Bukali. I asked about my Spakely Grey now because I had a fine owl selection. I had a Raim Shalahan there in Shiva's Gardine and Tachtan Shkata. Derval and Laura, our Spotify, both chose The Gloss. They say, Louise, give us the link, drop the link. Girls, they were cheapies from ASOS. Agus Canning May Iad Bravias Dal Gabanish, and I wanted them to match a handbag. I was Cat Grav Sheet Kasula like na Celine dupes. So yeah, I don't know, Gyoe May linked you, but they're recent, are ASOS, and they're like €12.
That's the fucking closest to a link you're going to get from Louise. Oh yeah, filling them with false promises. You'll never hear from her ever again. Okay,
just go August fake like Air Green Sunnies or ASOS August. Beg she down. I'm sorry, that's so mean.
No, can I tell you something outrageous, Shiva, while you were out fixing your internet, right? Louise did a little haul for us about what she's wearing to the Munster final this weekend, right? Right? Now, by the way, I have also been planning my outfit for the Munster final on Saturday. I'll be tuning in from New York, but that wasn't the bit, right?
The bit is also based on something I don't remember, so
a couple of weeks ago, I saw, the boxer shorts that people are wearing out. And I was like, oh, I really want to get a pair. And I said it to Louise. And she was like, no, girl, you're not doing that. Sorry now. But you're not wearing them. No.
When
and then,
did I say this to you?
Yeah, I'd say about 2. I think actually around the time we were in Glasson, actually. Yes, it was in the car on that, on the way to Boyle. Anyway, she said under no circumstances are you to get a pair of those boxer shorts. They're rotten. No. And what's she wearing to the Munster final?
Oh, is Brawlham Saeed.
Sorry, aren't they so cute?
Yeah.
I can't believe it. Darren, I take that back to Broner. Like, so Kumir Pinterest, and I was like, I wanted like cute Scandi girl cash match vibes. So chatting me, and do you know what I really want now are those New Balance like chunky dad runners, but
they're gone.
Is this, do you think this is what my great grandfather had in his mind when he founded the Gaelic Games?
yes,
well done.
Yeah,
well done.
Actually, call 5 Gwyn, and I would like people to comment. Oh, it's going to be too late when you comment. Paige Gayle, can I wear maroon and white with red nails? Because I'm from Limerick and they're playing Cork.
I don't know. I don't know, and I don't care. I'm so slighted that I am now.
Will I wear the ones with the navy stripe?
What is there any difference? Was that 2 different pairs?
Yeah.
Like they're linen.
Okay. Oh no, it's Farlam na Keenella, but drop a comment, guys, or Spotify, King go for Livsha, because this is a big decision Louise has to make and it might have an impact on the outcome of the match.
Like Gachtan, you know, gals like Honey May Mako nail place as
look how stressed she
is.
is.
No, look how stressed I am. I love a red toe in the summer with a sandal and a red nail. Fucking red I got on Chocked and Shove all the weeks. But now green would have been like she's trying too hard for Charlie XCX, etc.
Yeah. Anyway, that's Louise's fashion conundrum, the shock.
Well, listen, stay tuned now. By the time this episode goes out, we'll know the result of the Munster final, and we'll also know what everybody wore, what Louise wore to the match, what I wore in Midtown Manhattan while I watched it, what Shiva wore when she watches it. Are you
oh my god,
watch
can I do Dalquigan District? Where are you going to watch the match?
I'm meeting Barry and a few of our friends to watch. So Neil, Plan, Crean, Denta Gafold, but I'll actually probably settle that enough now and find out.
Hannah.
Right, let's book a ride. They're in Big Troch that own this.
Yes, the V. We got a trough in from JB from Down Under. What do you think? Do you think I do a good Australian accent?
Yeah, we should do it.
Yeah.
Well, he's a really good. No, okay, I'm gonna quit while I'm ahead. He's a big fan of the show, and he wants somebody to explain the difference between the dialects to him. So I'm going to tell you in very simplified terms. It's like a Donegal accent versus a Cork accent versus a Galway accent versus a Dublin accent. There's such range in Ireland in the accents. And before we spoke English, obviously for hundreds and hundreds of years, we spoke Irish, which came out of Anshanna Gaeilge, which is actually a different language altogether from the Nua Gaeilge that we speak now. But actually the language lines and how they're drawn across the country is really, really interesting. So a lot of like Ulster, for example, and Donegal Irish will be very closely related to Scotland because of Shuan na Muile and all of the cultural exchange that went between those two places. So it's very, very closely related. The folklore, the songs, the music, and the language is very similar. And you would probably find a lot more similarities in the syntax and, you know, makeup of words and phrases and idioms there than you would, for example, comparison to Munster Irish, which is actually quite closely related to French, and because of a lot of French migration came down around Cork and Kerry. So a lot of words like garçon, that's a word we have in Irish for a young boy, similar to garçon in French. So they're very closely related. And then actually Clare and Galway, they would come across to Dublin a lot. Those language lines or linguistic lines would have come across a lot. Anyway, the whole upshot being is that the differences in different dialects, you can think of them similarly to accents in the English language. The one thing I will say is that I always say to people when they say Gael, it doesn't matter what dialect of Irish that you speak. Okay, I have studied linguistics. I have a PhD in Irish language. I have studied in a lot of the major universities in this country. It's just incorrect pronunciation. It's Gael. If you're from Belfast or up north, you might say Gael, but it is incorrect to put the W in there. So it doesn't matter. So all those fuckers who were commenting on the two Johnnies when I was giving out about that, suck on that one.
But say it really Belfasty. Say how to Gael.
Well, they say Gael.
How to Gael.
They say Gael. Yeah.
How to Gael. How to Gael.
It's like Darren's Binier Casula, GWAYL.
Yeah.
It's been just
Yeah.
one chart. Yeah.
Whale, like it's like a whale.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like
Someone
whale death.
Yeah, someone commented on the two Johnny saying, I don't want to listen to these 3 middle-class fanoulas giving out about how to say girl.
Don't bring
go
another
fuck
F name
yourself.
into it.
No, but
Dana's
also
still trolling me.
they don't have your knack for names. It should be middle class Matildas or something. You know what I
Yeah,
mean?
there you go. Middle-class Moiras. Middle-class Moiras.
Moiras.
Yeah, no.
I know.
Anyway, listen.
Sal, do you know when Fidel Machinta she faux mayo rollout? I can't deal with her.
Are you
Are you
serious?
serious?
Yeah, every
Okay,
single
no.
video. I know.
Oh my
Fuck her.
god, sorry, I'm kind
I
of
thought she
obsessed
blocked
with
the
her.
gum. Did she block the gum?
Obsessed with her. I need to link up with her. Let me give her some
won't be-
dirt on you.
Won't
We
be
can
getting a
both troll
tattoo
you
of an F
together.
anytime soon.
Yeah. We can both troll you together over your fucking Munster final outfit. I know.
Very, very mean.
Mass more. Okay, book with Rye. Cúpla fógad a denna fagoin.
Oh, well, Tommy our Patreon Mars gná Chard Gael. So Biggie Ling for our little bite-sized slice of how to Gael, Gach Dardine. If you are signing up, do it through the Patreon website though, because fucking bastards and Apple take a few bob off the top if you go through the app. So you don't want to do that, go on to patreon.com on your webpage and get all the good stuff there and stay up to date with all the antics in New York and in Glasnevin and in Dublin 1.
2.
Yeah.
Bailio Clea do. Tá sin alright. Yeah, no, agus Nadine Darmid Gwillamid full video choma. So if you're nosy like me, come for a little peep into our private lives. Shiva's really clean stairs and lovely carpet runner actually. So na stairs shin co glam agus glan. Obviously we know her nibs is in New York, living it up there, Sinatra herself, and Misha Fos the penthouse. This is kind of retro for the OG How to Whalers lads.
Yeah.
You know,
Throwback.
step back into Trahain and so nothing has changed. The fridge still smells the same. But also Leveredall actually fog comment because it's even in the comments. We love the comments. We love a review. And actually Apple Podcast listeners, most rather will to engage Dr. Apple Podcast. We would love a 5-star review. Leveredall.
She's no shame, has she? She's no shame.
Please.
Please. Or 4 stars, but nothing less. Thanks.
Go hauling. Okay, book with Rye. Good time in a seachtaine. So Taylor Shopping Show is of course how to keep discovering. We are working with Discover Ireland and as part of that work we planned a trip away because Neil 8 out these far not free law her Thon Sarah Bull to Lina Corda. Let's not dilly dally and mess around. So Tom can learn free kind of our ideal Thuras Boher, August our tips than Thuras Boher is far. And then because we are such avid travellers of Era and Tror Agan Shin Hain, Tha Clithe Biog Agam Egan Dera, to see if the colony can remember the places that they've been to. Okay? I'm going to test your memories, colony. Okay, so I think it's no say again with your fod. We all say, oh, let's do this, let's go there, let's do this. And Ni Horley and Shay. And where's the plans? Where do we leave those plans?
The group chat.
In the group chat, exactly. So the Muidna Agiri, Shiv Agria set, the Agiri Shiv Spraga, a story, the Dunamak, August and tourist show of Flannel. Go out and plan that trip because now is the time to do it. It's the year for staycations. Staycations are in for 5th
Yeah.
of Fluid.
Oh, I like it.
I know, and we had such a great trip in Ireland's hidden heartlands. Me Gleho hin Beidir and Pointe Shaw, but sort of flame with Shin, August na highlights Beidir on tourist Shin. I want to discuss kind of what would be our ideal. What would be our tips for the best kind of staycations? So, Kerry Cap and Shiv. So, do you like to do nothing? Do you like to do lots? Darren, I know you have thoughts. Go on, girl.
I know me like eagerly jumping up and down on my seat.
Do the
John,
Shiva on it.
I know. Food and good pubs. That's my number one thing. I want to go where the fucking wherever I go, I want at least 1 or 2 deadly restaurants that I really, really want to try, and I want a couple of really nice pubs where I know I'll get a good creamy pint of Guinness or, you know, something similar, and that's me happy. Honestly, beyond that, I'm actually very easily pleased.
Yeah. Yeah, in Team Last now, I wouldn't be as easily pleased. I think like I would need to be Erin Costa. Surprise, says they. Surprise. And also, this is something that's rubbed off on me through Declan, but I think the Lochstein is Tábhachtach. Like, I'm not going to stay in a fucking Holiday Inn or a hostel or a tent or Ain Rod Marshinde. That just isn't enjoyable for me. Okay, that's me. I don't want to be in a camper van unless I'm at a lecture picnic. So, Dumsa, like, it's such a treat to go. Like, Ireland is renowned for its hospitality. We have some of the most incredible hotels in the world. If you want to treat yourself to a beautiful Ostan, tá absolutely Ostan ar le Aaron. And I'm not talking about a Dare Manor, but that's a particular treat. But like our Ostan Cuig Raelt are like leve lela a goráid le Ostan Cuig Raelt, you know, timp di Europa agus timp crine agus so she done so going Savala. So Mulam Gomor dol agus Ostan Cuig Raelt a bookall.
Okay, but one was sin sa shade August. It's okay.
You said if this was like a dream trip, a dream.
Yeah, okay, fair enough. Word mission livery between Auchin Garan me in Ballydehob a Gurkick.
No.
Oh my god, so Rinna Mish agus Cahill tourist Ear her Kirky, Ryan Schwably, Thohin, and it was gorgeous. Former I'm sure then Scott in Auchin Orha and then Shite I'm sure in Auchin Ella, of course. But Hokrig May Ash Eggsul in Ballydehob, Hanama Airbnb, and it was an eco cabin. And like obviously Tomwid kind of eco-conscious Mutain. I was like Tatno she took more to call. She like lived off the land. It was very eco buzzy, Scotland. So Land Olimer, and like she had kind of like made her own house out of kind of really natural materials. But the cabin we were staying in was a shed at the back of the property. As in like it was plywood and a shed lock was under us. And it was actually grand. It wasn't what I expected, but it was grand. But on Rudd's Fui, it had a compost toilet.
I knew you were going to say it. No.
Compost toilet.
Yeah.
So it wasn't connected to any mains.
And like you're shitting into a bundle of hay or something.
Yeah,
so
sawdust. It's sawdust.
Sawdust.
Yeah. So ever hain, ever though, you go on sawdust and you cover it up with more sawdust. I know.
And how did your plywood behan smell?
Do you know what? Near Bullet or bit few Celeras. I had the heebie-jeebies just near Hasty when we had our team player. But near Bullet otter bit like in our Mohan new like Celeras Kiangatanesh. Like actually near Bullet own. Now I don't think that I would implement a compost toilet in Hioch Fain, but if you spatial like Eshkin to say outside, but we're making with Yeehil kind of like Dr. Quinal's Unum Gadig Remember Rock for Beta.
No, Sean, I'm fully lying about this now because Shiva and Newark talk such a big game of like, oh, fucking environmentalism and ego and stuff.
I'm hardly going to have a compost toilet here in fucking suburban.
Well, Shiva, if you're committed to the world destroying, come on, that fucking at least one of the bathrooms, of the many bathrooms in your house should be sawdust. Well, what I'll do for you now is I'll load up the trailer now, right, with a bit of sawdust for you, and I'll dump it out there now in the front garden. And I'll
see Patreon for Trailergate. If you don't know what's going on here, go to Patreon, register for that episode. If you want an insight into Dirty Clochod, her story about her car, number one, and number two, what she likes to hitch to her car, well worth finding that episode. Fuck me. Sorry, can I also say no to the fucking plywood cabin? By all means, excellent. I think there's some great options. Airbnb, agus Áit Ella. It doesn't need to be a 5-star hotel, lad. Sorry, I'm only saying, like, in my dream budget on my most amazing road trip, that is what I would choose.
Yeah.
Like, I'm not the princess and the pea here. There's also lots of nice
Are you fucking
guest
serious?
houses. No, I'm not. And actually, I stayed in a lovely cottage, right? Cooper, in
This one time I didn't stay in a 5-star hotel. Yeah. Oh, you're a woman of the people, Louise.
Excuse me, like, let's not be so mean here. I'm just saying. I think there is somewhere in between a 5-star hotel and a plywood toilet.
No, yeah. But I also feel like you shouldn't have to qualify yourself. More like, Tom was Tror egg seal. I like toilets with sawdust. You like 5-star. You know?
When you don't like toilets with sawdust, admit that you don't. Come on.
No, I didn't.
She didn't.
No, I
it was so young.
I was near Hastic with a vet an option.
Oh my God. Imagine being on a romantic weekend away and you're shitting into a fucking toilet with sawdust, like, not a buzz. No.
But like, it had a toilet seat, but like, it wasn't a porcelain bowl, like, you know.
No,
anyway,
not for me.
No, it's great Niemer and Thuris. Arcade Stadella was Guggen Barra, I guess an Ostad and Guggen Barra, so I was like, thank God if you're not all in letting out a creek new. Anyway, moving on.
I'd sing you a few songs about Guggen, a nice girl stuff there, yeah. There you go.
Oh, we should call him. Absolutely. It's really druk deal shy.
Yeah. So it's Nakla Gugan the Muvwinter fad Shin Muskriti Lairde Muskriti line Muvwinter. But anyway, Gugan Gaheven. Yeah.
But sure, Knockrev Gurley Getaway then Scott Huggin Sna Hidden Heartlands. We thought it just a all Louise that you're a coastal kind of gal, but that trip must have converted you.
But you know what? It's fine. Viamer Inaka, like Inaka leis an Shannon. Weren't we at nearly the top of the River Shannon? So anything that
so
flows
good.
into Limerick, it was great.
Oh my
You know
god.
what I mean?
Give
For
it a
me,
rest.
I knew the water was connected to my homeland.
Fishka. You should gargle over this.
Well, can we please talk, Jared, about your Cara, Aaron Maud Shin?
Oh,
the most
Pierce.
wonderful man. What was his name? Pierce, was it?
Josie Pierce,
Oh,
yeah.
come on.
Oh my god, my tattoo dull on Tavishan Tira. Honestly, that was such a highlight for me. Fuksha Sulshing in the pissing rain in Glasson Lake and brought us across Gadi Wineport Lodge. And we should just go hauling. And it's I can't make our just such a lovely touch. Le Genev, Matashiv Temple, Dullamacher and Bod. And didn't shed trust in our food kind of the lakelands and sun, Jetadul, Gadi Baltibuga in Leitrim and everything. And it was just a great day out.
And he was so cute, right? It was Easter weekend, August Durchil, and he was like, can I pick you up for sunrise Amora Khalini and I'll bring you to Dawn Mass? Vi Dawn Mass Shul. Where was it? Was it on like a little Ilon or Rodagant?
Yeah, the V, yeah.
And he was like, we do this on Tower Fod and I'll bring you can watch from the boat or whatever. Just Vishay Co Das Mergoina. It was such a highlight, wasn't it, actually?
Yeah.
It really was. Oh no, I'm mad about him. So actually, yeah, Kermida Shin Suas Reached or Land How to Gael. Doty Cart.
Yeah. Now, Riv on Ihishin, Riv na Ihishin, Riddimer Cooper the Law Shin, Coomer Higgin Shed Distillery in Drumshambo.
Yes.
And then Riddimer Zip Line in Coma. So, Kay Aku is Farliv as an Gog and Eve Shin Yennemer and Law Shin.
Joe, bhín ziplining, bhí anna sportlish and ziplining.
Me!
Yeah. Now, it's hard to get me out of a pub and to stop me drinking gin and tonics. One of my big favourite pastimes, because it's Bral and Mars Holding or Fad Leitrim, ach goharhe. But, so, bhí sé sin gohúnta ar fad, especially Mar Nirvan, I'm sure, Gama. So, it was a great, activity, a gur law, fluch. Ach, han and ziplining go more lum. Agus rod gavetá dinah le idir óg agus éistid. Mata lena timple. Nu mata tú lena Colini. Nu mata tú le the fart near.
Yeah. And Cap Misha, so Kuig Louise August they're in near to Erthus, and I was like, I'll get the content and ish. And then I was like, I'll go up then and Eeg and I'll swap it in Aku. So it was Louise and they're in Erthus, and V Louise, she was very elegant and just become a Urhi, Garevshe Aiska. And then Biren was not as elegant.
Well, I'm glad you're admitting this now, Shiva. Go on, continue.
And I was like, I'm semi-athletic. I think I'm just gonna be exactly like Louise. And when I go, not at fucking all. It was so hard.
Yeah.
And I was all over the place. I was like a baby deer. I was like a fawn. Cage or goose and machosa
Well, we should really fluch, agus really gaifer. And also, mission Chédin a yin Ayan Rod.
That's true. No, don't carry Scott. But also, can I just say, I did do fucking 4 years of PE teaching, which essentially was zip lining around UCC for 4 years. The outdoor excursions, stuff marshinda, is Queenlum lads. Norvius the Cadrians and also, one of my modules was literally swimming, rugby, badminton. And we'd be off to college, right? And we'd be like, oh my God, we're late for badminton. And literally on Ron Glare would just be playing badminton or going ziplining or going swimming. So what a bizarre thing to have done or fag Caribbean but
okay, fair enough.
No.
Yeah. It's good. So we were we have a reason for not being good at Louise literally qualified.
yeah. Louise, you came out with an unreal line actually for me one of the days. You were up fucking halfway up one of the big trees and we were all like, Louise, how are you so good at this? And she was like, well now, when Darren was busy fucking doing filiocht and reading her poetry, I was ziplining around UCC. Oh my God, I got such a howl out of it. It was so,
honest to God, that and teaching people how to hold a shuttlecock.
Look, there you go, girl.
Like you have a little beak. So it's honestly the most bizarre skills I have to sail nish, but your page scale.
Listen.
They'll come in handy one day, girl.
Search
when
you're
zipping around Leitrim.
No. But that was Roscommon. That was
Roscommon. Yeah. And then and well, August Comer on a Kodema Eros come on and all their you and Vimer Rinishiv towards the King House in Boyle.
Yeah, in Boyle.
The wrong dock alla. Oh, go on.
Yeah, August the Vulamir van all in Ella. Actually, Canada Roddy is Desha about doing this little tour around the Hidden Heartlands where it was actually Bula le Winton Hoita. And Vian Banshin is Queenlum Boyle House, look, I don't know if it's everyone's cup of tea if you're into Star Bather. Vi on Vanna vi Ganis or not, or she was on Trory Oh my goodness, dear, not if she like passionate.
Oh no, we
It was
really
contagious.
enjoyed her company. Like, and the Irid Star, so it was a lot to digest. But she kind of had us in a trance, didn't she? And she was so glamorous. She looked great. She was in her suit and she had her pearls and she was done up and she had a beautiful accent for, you know, and then she'd be telling us the stories and she was so, she was like an actress, you know, against in the scale. She was really endearing. But the scale really master Dara then about the big breakout during the Civil War. Do you remember?
Yeah.
And of course, I knew Matt Malloy, who I know well. He's a famous musician, but his father had actually broken out of that house during the Civil War, and she showed us the cells and everything. It was just mad. It was a great story. Yeah.
The story that stuck with me, sorry, lol, this just shows the difference between me and Darren now, right? We were inside in this little room and she was like, now in whatever times, wasn't it like in the 1800s or something?
Yeah.
And she was like, the sign now of a man enjoying a meal would be, would be that they'd pull their pants down and they'd let out a big fart, and that would mean that they really enjoyed the dinner. And I was just like, you know, Vichy Mama when she literally whispered that part, you know, when
I know,
we were on it was just calling, like, God.
Yeah, she was so endearing though, endearing.
Vichy.
That's the part that would have stuck with me too, Louise.
Honestly, Darren took the story about the IRA. I remember the farts.
I know.
There you go.
And then rinne mar wrong bácála in Margaret and Dearest last with the Rose come on and I reached Fimmer Laird feel like Nadina and like Margaret really left her mark on me Caimera. Like she welcomed us into her own kitchen with open arms and like she had fresh scones, tea, like a bhí a hinny now agus Carla and a hinny na bhí dul faoin orteis agus a has to go who bheith ann dar wrong and I loved it.
Oh, so cute. She was
Look at her
gorgeous.
go.
Do you know what? That is a perfect, like, Matatu Dul, Agor, hen weekend or girls' weekend away. She does so many, like, BYOB and, like, she'll do, like, little tapas, wrong in the tapas, because wrong in the ball and everything. And you go with the girls and bring a few bottles of wine. And, geez, had we known that now, girls? We'd have been in fucking doing the small plates as well. It was great.
Yeah.
Really tanable, really wholesome, and just like a good way, especially in your novel and I'm Shigamahaks and you feel like braher. If you've done all your outside activities and you just want to, you know, have a few scoops, but don't get mouldy in the pub yet. That was a really lovely idea.
Yeah.
And then you have your bread as soakage, so when you do go to the pub,
Sure, there you go.
Toronto got the eggs faded out. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then, sorry, I'll give a special shout out because Vimers na hot tubs are in glassing and we're falling glassing the hot be not fucking fab actually. But follow the Vimers the hot tub, Hugger Fuyara, Grav on Lanun, Dirk Taven, Cicade Hot Tubella, Feeder Dirk H. Irie Gelta.
That was
And they were
so
making
cute.
all of their like calls to their family and friends being like, we're engaged. And like we should really get asked that we got to witness that. We should go hauling.
Yeah, Visha really cute. Thank you, Artigoiv. Yeah, that was good. It was actually lovely to get to be there.
Yeah.
Very cute her fod. So really Mullenwood, the Hidden Heartlands, up the Hidden Heartlands. Doesn't have to be coastal. Oh, yup.
Yup.
No, yup. August freshen, like ease of access, right? I'm just gonna say for anyone in Tachtum Locklia, like you're generally well connected by roads and it's handy to get to places. But actually, could we miss our Rash Galimnach? Road is perfect. Munster as well, lads. Do you know what?
Perfect.
Well, we miss it tomorrow, Susan, she is Scotland because we are in the Emerald Gum and we should actually grant.
I know, but being the Mora Gabrag is the Locklia the Gana, so you know.
Oh, sorry, I'm being
for the Archna Ella. But my God, actually, Siobhan O'Rourke, maybe not the woman you want to be driving with on the Mora.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not.
Over bends and around corners. And
Oh my God. No, there was a couple of times I was like, and I wouldn't be like this at all. There was a couple of times I was like holding on to the edge of my seat.
Are you serious?
You go too fast.
You were flying
it. You need to go. Yeah, and a bower buggy. You need to really bring that a lot, and like you need to be driving in right beside the ditch as well.
Spatial. Okay, I'll consider it. Okay. Now we have come to Ian Cliha. Okay.
Oh yay! Okay.
So I have taken stock of your Instagrams and I've collated a long list of locations and dates and kind of K of E Snahatna ag an Ohm Shin.
Oh, I love
a little disclaimer, go on Tola Shorfad Buinto Insta. So I'm like Shans Garevshiv Bert egg an Acho egg an Ohm Kana, but if it wasn't on Instagram, it doesn't
count.
Yeah.
Okay.
So on Fragger Carrot is on Ken Gormeo Instagram. Okay.
Oh, it's a great game, yeah.
Yeah, okay. K of E Savuna Biog I Gaharlock I Mi Ul Gabi is a hooked egg.
Darren. I'd say.
know. Oh, Misha. Yeah, Misha. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, Misha.
Okay, correct. V2 Egan Fla.
Oh, yes. Sounds
Okay.
sounds about right.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, on Dara count is K a V Egan Gomorthis Trewadork I Gaherloch I Goblis and Edig.
Louise.
Oh my god, and Rev May Goberly spin again now. Was I sitting on a wheel?
Correct. Yes.
Oh,
On a
Yes.
rock.
God.
Okay. K a V in Oris on Uachtaráin I Fiora Goblis and Edig.
Misha.
Correct.
Really? Oh, okay.
Agus the good may cup on. Can I
What?
admit that?
Ah, Louise.
Yeah, the good. Because I wanted to have a bit of it, Savala. And someone said, put a nice little. Can I say that? Do we need to cut this out?
No, don't put it out, but I just think that that's so
Outrageous.
dick, like,
Yeah.
I wonder, what do you take from the 5-star hotels then?
Well,
we'll not
you
admit
know
them.
all about that.
Oh, sorry, because the little cups have a little harp on them. They're tiny. And adorable.
Yeah, and they're rapidly dwindling, Marielle, or Dini Xulotza.
But then they're they're Excapa Timble Natira, like people are
Okay.
bringing them around the world. Dublin can't
Okay.
have them all in the Oris.
Look,
Okay.
this not going Miggle Diagation Clash and Agron Shaw.
Okay,
Right?
sorry, yeah, no, Bronerm to the Oris. No,
Okay, and K Canella, K a V in Coppers in Mortha, Gobulus and Ejeg.
Probably me.
Have we got a definitive answer in Chin Colony?
Are you in the Comortis Coma?
No, I'm not. It's
I'd-
just in Bertogusha.
I'd hedge my bets on myself. I don't know.
I would
I
say
know.
Misha Coma.
Okay, this one was Durin.
Oh, yes. Okay.
Durin wearing a fleece.
Oh, yeah.
We'll have to actually like show more this small, but we might have to do one a mock and show like whose caption is this because some of the captions were horrific.
Oh,
Are
no.
you serious? Oh no. Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
they're so cringe.
Oh.
KV a kayakal Aaron Litha in Miabron Gobulus and Edig.
Misha, I
It
would
was
say.
in fact Darren. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Now she'll count really dapper.
That's actually
KV.
a
Oh,
great,
go on.
sorry, I was just going to say a really great activity if you, if Matadudulg or weekend in Lachlia is you can kayak down the Liffey and it's deadly and sometimes they have music underneath the bridges and it's
Unreal.
yeah, if you're doing a little romantic weekend in Dublin or even just with the girls, really nice activity. Anyway,
That's
sorry.
like that's very Amsterdam vibes. It doesn't
Yeah.
yeah, okay.
Really good.
Okay, she can really dacker. KV Egadair Manor, Bialpin and Gobulus and Edig.
Misha.
Oh, me. No, Misha.
Oh.
No, it was in fact Louise.
I know,
was
yeah. I've
amazing.
only ever been in a Dare Manor once for her. No, twice actually.
Well,
Okay.
Levecker also, like, lads, it's Temple. Do you know what I mean? It's Temple the Cunha.
Well, Louise, I could have put that question about 5 times for you.
because it's on my doorstep, Savala.
Oh, Gobulus and Edig, go cooing. It's been plentiful.
It's been
has it?
plentiful. Well, yeah, well, you
Their
can be,
Instagram.
I was just going to say, you can be fucking sure she'd post about it anyway. There'd be none of that going under the
Exactly.
radar.
Yeah.
Absolutely not.
Okay, KV Rockharn Glossnamy and Mehev Fihanedig.
Oh, me, surely.
Yes.
Yeah.
V2 Egg Phelan the Galley if Fihanedig.
No.
So
better woman.
actually, Phelan the Galley is Phelan Ciole go Homeland Trugwelga and Emlina and Vakship Kaitag Shinamaun.
no.
Laboom.
Oh, class.
Oh, unreal.
Deadly.
Roger Laboom a Ladani go stick Shin and Meg Phelan the Galley and I think I'm actually Shin class.
Class.
Hana will shame Lena.
It's again Kaikisha, I think.
Yeah.
It's again Kaikisha and it's in Kundinami in Rockcar and Sagwelkat and Shin
Oh.
and being she biog and being she fucking deadly. Near on me Reeve Harry out there and Cuddles Mar Vishay a campolling.
Oh, if Tamisha Church still couple blian as Chéile and she really good ass, great
Yeah.
vibes, always really tanvach mar jaar shaftana. Agus yeah, honest swin of let the hard am at the gear níos mó gailge large the clafta tam pobl cho oscailte agus fáilteach, you know.
Yeah, and it's Phelan Ciole go Homeland Trugwelga like
Yeah.
na Ciole Tory agus na Dini Fadatá Frastalir so
Yeah.
go more dul go Phelan the Galley.
Yeah.
Okay, right. KV in Rihidaha in Lunasa Gobulus and Edig.
Oh, Misha.
Sorry, is this row obvious?
No,
No, it's just because like as if like Louise is going to be like a gantracha like random like Tamo Ian Tamach of Adnis like I'd be more likely now of Simonach Biog a Garloch or Fagihe Mach than I would be, you know, in a Dare Manor or Limnoch. Do you know what I mean?
And also we have to think of what would, because also you each have a very unique style of posting. So if
Yeah.
Louise had spent a night of Winnipeg Garlock, would it have made it onto her grid?
And no way. Yeah.
Oh my god, you bitches.
Guys, this is so funny. This is actually really good. Okay, Nerven Clisha Creech, I have a good question for the two of you.
Okay, Níla cúpla cén fáca. So KV in Power Score, she Lunasa gabhad is an EJ.
Probably
Louise.
miss it.
Agus an duine a bhí ann, do you know what they actually hashtagged?
No.
I'll go on, tell us.
No, sorry, this was manifestation. Hashtag Discover Ireland.
Oh, Louise.
Maybe it was a FunCon.
No.
No, I don't think it was, girl. It was
No.
Louise.
Okay. Oh my
I
god.
think you were just being ambitious, let the quiz. Here we are now, girl.
I actually think Will on a green graph, I've done exact green graph for Ola's gum. Am I standing in front of the waterfall?
Yes.
Like, oh yeah, God, cat Melodeon.
Cash.
Cat. I was discovering Ireland. But Dumsa Ego now, lads. Kilvanton was a real. Is Paris Court to Kilvanton?
Yeah.
Was she? That would have been a real, like, you know, Der Shachs now, them.
I know. I love
Good
how
for
much
you.
the 5-star hotels are featuring now in the Clithe. Okay,
Yeah.
and Kate Clonella is KFE I Gahar Hira in Man for Fiha.
Misha, surely.
They're
Correct.
actually.
It was in fact Darren. I'm actually going to pop in a green graph in here there in Scotland or Tommy did have Agrahorth there show so people
Oh,
can
gas. Okay.
see Darren in a fleece and coppers and Louise in front of a waterfall.
Like this.
Okay, but no pictures of my ex-boyfriend though. If
no,
he's still,
don't,
no,
girl,
yeah,
cropped
yeah. Okay,
well.
crop him out. Just put a smiley face over his head. Oh my god!
Do you
I,
prefer me to replace him with anyone? Aim
oh yeah. Paul Mescal.
Oh my god, green chatting.
Green
Let's
chatting.
manifest it.
I
Hashtag
know.
discovering green.
I know, and do you know what? I'm so annoyed. Ian May Oglovle, Happy Days style, and Rachel is so lovely, and you know she was so nice. I just was very forthcoming with information, and I spoke a lot about my ex on it, and I felt bad about it after because I was like, you know, I've obviously never talked about him, but anyway, look, listen to. Oh, sorry, I didn't talk. I just talked about the breakup. Anyway,
And now all the rental girlies of Ireland know about it.
There you go.
But like, Shin quit the scale and break up,
Yeah.
so not a good
Yeah.
girl, you know?
There you go. There you go.
Okay, on Clown Dernock, KV in Lahinch, Mina Sauna, Fiha do.
Probably
Me
Misha.
surely.
Oh,
Could have been Misha. Oh, because Vitosa, he's
Vi Misha
Oh my god, yeah. Well, it would be art. A hen Gominic, like I guess me.
Yeah. Oh, it could be either of us
It
then.
could be, yeah, dinner.
I'm going to need a final answer, girlies.
Okay, so
I say-
came me a reached,
Me
Sauna.
Sauna, Fiha do.
I would say me.
and I would say me.
And a cold November's day, would you have gone to Lahinch? Like, that's where I would have spent my Saturdays and
I
Sundays.
would have gone down for a Shulo Das. Kane Love, yeah. Was it Dundera?
Oh, I don't fucking know. I love you.
Okay.
I could have gone down for a little Shulo Das.
It
Okay,
was,
go
in
on.
fact, Louise.
Oh,
Yeah.
gas.
I
Okay,
think we're
okay.
in the Red Law Declan. Would that make sense?
Okay.
Oh yeah,
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Either way.
Well, Shin
Yes.
Darren Clare, Moshiv Colony, you know how to discover Ireland.
You.
Yeah. Aren't you ever reached? I like going through your Instagrams. It's
Oh my god.
but satisfying.
Well, I was gonna ask if we had to sum up each other's Instagrams and like the fucking vibe, what would they be?
Okay, and Phelan's to show you of.
Okay.
Okay, so Louise's is, I would say, curated.
Yes.
Okay, very hashtag heavy and yeah.
I
And
never hashtag anything, and also
Girl,
it's not
you
very
used-
worky.
You
Oh,
know
for
you
though.
used to. Yeah, for those I'm talking obviously need a show. So I'm gonna go for 2 C words. Louise is curated and Darren's is chaos. Darren would take a selfie in the middle of Drogheda, not caring what she's wearing, what she looks like, or what's around her, and throw it on her grid. That's so chaotic.
That is actually so true. It's Queenum, and actually, Darren, you've gotten better. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Maybe you should revert to your ways.
Yeah.
But I remember a mocklat, like, I don't probably bleed no hin or goblin no hin and win show. And you were like, God, I must put that photo up. And I thought Grevty could on photo of Ryan there the scale. Next thing it's like fucking air the grid. I'm like, what?
Yeah, I love
Not
it.
even a Paris.
On winning is just incredible.
But sorry, that's so funny that you think that's even. I would just be like, that's so stupid.
I think bring back random grid posts.
Yeah.
Tommy comes to my if I don't post
Yeah.
anything, and it's all just how to go Milano. So I'm going to
Yeah.
start putting up like, here's my stairs. New where they
Yeah. Oh my god, hilarious.
I actually think our Godun Illig packed in of an Ishnia smoker Instagram. We all could be way better and it's entertaining.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
even
yeah.
on like a brand new or stuff for Instagram and we're actually terrors. We've gotten very bad now.
I know, but I've really like. Oh, Crahura, sorry, Conan the Gael, you're ringing me here now.
Oh, you should be so lucky, girl.
I should be lucky. Yeah, there you go. I'll tell them. I'll ring them back again in Tamil. But anyway, yeah. Instagram, I don't know.
No, I think and mata aine ag éisteacht agus mata ein multigrave okay what we should share anything you'd like to see in our lives Oberlin
Smoin of Ma
because I'm creatively dry fui her Jerhin
okay
so
I would love to be the girlie that does OOTDs. Do you know what? I'm going to do an OOTD of my fucking boxer shorts there and I'm going to tag you in them.
I want a Munster final OOTD.
Yeah, OOTD from all of us for the Munster final, okay? Because I'm actually going to go.
Evoke.ie would put that up and be like, here's what Louise Ward's Munster final, and people would think Rev may actually know era.
No, I think let's do a Munster final.
Yeah, I'm absolutely doing a Munster final OOTD.
Let's all do a Munster final.
Absolutely. If you're not doing a Munster final OOTD, I'm going to be rating. So by the time this goes out, we'll have the Munster final OOTDs up. Okay, so they'll have to be up.
Go comment your favourite look. Okay.
Yes, okay, we'll put it on How to Gael's main grid, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, Colony. Glúis na seachtainna, bhí roiint focail a bhíon úsad agan our Doris in the hidden heartlands.
Woo! Sketamini!
Ragara. Yeah, bhí sibh ar ragarí íhan you go.
Suivness.
Bhí suivness ar agus muid ag bácáil beidir?
Yes.
Bhí suivness ar mar bhí mi Homer féin agam. Joke.
Oh, there you go. Bachram, which is like boisterous behavior, and I'd say I wasn't even there, but the two girls lip synced video. I think that was fairly Bachram now.
No,
yeah,
doing our best anyway.
Shout out Lewis Doyle.
And Glunders and Count Dernach, mar just there shopping all in Lesh na Colony of her Glunder Emmercree.
Calling. Yups agus yak.
Yes. Will we say for the yup? Will we say like Winter na Hidden Heartlands?
Oh yeah, and Pierce, yeah,
and
definitely.
Yeah, Pierce Ochahorha, mar like it's Nadini really that made on Thursday, you know.
Yes,
yes. On Thursday, war Gachradella into the beer show.
Kevin Gales, okay, I'm on board for that. Yup, yuck for me is Louise telling me I couldn't wear boxer shorts and taking that away from me, and now going to wear them this big Munster final weekend. I'm
Louise's
devastated.
hypocrisy.
Actually, under no circumstances are my style choices big the yuck again. There's my D4. Sorry guys. No. That's not the yuck because my sandals got the yuck a few weeks ago. So no,
but
new yuck.
Style choices. This is just your hypocrisy and your.
Your hypocrisy towards me. No. Your criticism towards why. Okay, go on.
Can my yuck, no offense, and I hope it doesn't get you kicked out, Darren, but can my yuck be America, stopping people getting in, like from countries, banning countries?
I was so nervous. I was so nervous about getting in, but I got in. Thanks be to God.
Yeah. So my yuck is America. Sorry, I know you're there, but fuck off.
Sorry, how could we get this far in without saying anybody who's in New York at the minute? I am running events in Barty Dunn's every Sunday evening. Check out and scale our Instagram, Barty Dunn's, agus Instagram, and it's our favourite place to drink in Midtown.
Woo!
It's a fucking buzz.
We're note the shin. Gurmagad fall to Ireland, Os Muno Cur fall and put Crayla Show.
Woo! Criniger of a Gatrix, Slán!